Speaker.
Wait, hold on, hold on. It's Grandma. Hi, Grandma. You're on speakerphone.
What'd she say?
Maybe. Yeah, Harold's a good name.
Oh my God, is that why you were anxious for us to get the video up?
Yep, definitely.
We just got it. We've been fiddling with it since you called.
Aww.
I said to you guys think we had nothing to do all afternoon. Oh my God, Lee. Oh, geez. Oh. Well, congratulations, honey. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
I hope it's not going to be another two.
No, we already saw. There's just one.
There's just one. Oh, you saw it already?
Yeah, I saw a little heartbeat, and it's February 11th is the due date.
Oh my God. Bless you, sweetheart. February 11th is the due date.
Yeah, we're crazy.
So the boys will just be 2 years old.
Yep, not even. It's going to be crazy.
Yeah. Oh my God, Lee. How is your mother taking it? Did she pass out?
Yeah, almost. She didn't. She freaked out. It's funny. We just told Jeff and Sue.
Does Suzanne know?
Yeah, we just told them.
Oh, you did, huh?
Yeah, so if you want to, they said they'll Skype tomorrow for you.
Yes, because I'm sure she wants to get in on the act too.
Oh yeah, that's what she said.
Yeah, I figured by the end of the year she was going to definitely be pregnant because